Hey everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to make a call on your shiny new iPhone 15 Pro Max. It's super simple, so let's dive right in. First off, grab your iPhone and find the phone app. It's the one that looks like a little green phone icon. You can't miss it. Alright, now tap on the phone app to open it up. Got it? Great! Once you have the phone app open, you'll see a few options at the bottom of the screen. One of them is keypad. Go ahead and tap keypad. This is where you'll dial the number you want to call. Now, if you have a dual SIM model, you might notice a couple of things here. You can choose which line to use for the call. Just tap the line at the top and select your preferred line. This is super handy if you have separate numbers for work and personal use. Next, it's time to dial that number. Easy peasy. Use the keypad to punch in the digits. If you make a mistake while dialing, don't worry. Just tap the backspace button to correct it. Once you're sure the number is right, it's time to make the call. Simply tap the green call button at the bottom. And voila, your call is now connecting. There you have it. Making a call on your iPhone 15 Pro Max is as easy as pie. But wait, there's more. Did you know you can also make calls using Siri? Just say, "Hey Siri, call, contact name." It's that simple. And if you want to call someone from your recent calls list, just tap on Recents at the bottom of the phone app. Scroll through the list and tap on the name or number you want to call. Easy, right? Making a call on your iPhone 15 Pro Max is as easy as pie. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more awesome tips and tricks.